Okay. So we got the first. This one's for the underglow. I guess we'll see how it is. Let's see. It's pretty cool because it's like it's tinted. It looks tinted. Pretty good quality. I think it's better quality than the other ones that I got. I guess we'll see if it lasts. So stay tuned for install on this. I'm gonna use it on the outside of the car. I got stickers. Yeah, pretty cool because my car is silver, so it's gonna reflect. It's gonna be kind of invisible, and then at the same time, let's open them up. Really dope. So these are gonna go in my car. Pretty nice, look. Oh yeah, that should look good. Okay, then I got this, which is for workout, to sweat. But see, it's got a faja. What's it called in English?
Back brace?
The back support thingy. So it's got the back support. That's good for like lifting too, you know. So it helps you sweat it out. And then back support. And this is the same, but I ordered like a small one because hopefully that one's not gonna fit me. So it's so big.
Bowie.
And then these are workout shorts. Okay, so we got these, right? These have, you know, that under thing, the under. So it feels really good quality. And guess how much I paid for them?
$5.
Like $5, right? Guess how much I paid for some stupid ones that I bought on Snapchat.
You went Snapchat?
Cause on Snapchat they like the same ones, but obviously have their brand. They're called. I'll compare them in a different video, but definitely the quality is really good. So I can say it's the same or even better than the other ones. I'm gonna compare them. But for the other ones, dude, I paid like $30 for each. Just, yeah. Stupid, I know. No, these are good though. I like it. Because those are super tight too, like, man. Alright.
You're gonna be like those girls with super tight pants.
And then I got more, I'll give you my small ones because, man, those things are tight, dude. Alright, the next video I will individually test these products. So for all of this I paid like $30. Not bad. Then I got more stuff coming. So not bad. TEMU, where's it?
Is that available?
If there's something that's gonna take down Amazon, dude, is this.